Are you stranded? We offer roadside assistance lockouts, jump starts, gasoline and diesel fuel fluids, tire changes, plus new and used tire delivery. Let us make your stranded experience one that gets you safely back on the road. Stranded Towing and Roadside Assistance is a veteran-owned business. We are an industry leader and proud to serve our country and you.
God Sent Creations, the Temple's Health Bar, where healing not only tastes good, yet feels good and heals good, nourishing our mind, bodies, and souls with herbal-infused smoothies and teas, guided meditation, and Reiki. It's the ultimate health bar, created to nourish the temple. Visit God Sent Creations at 1424 Main Street, Cincinnati, Ohio, for your temple's nourishments.
Stranded uses smart, swift dispatch technology to route the closest truck to provide the service you need with status updates sent directly to your phone, anytime, anywhere. We're there when you need us, anytime, anywhere, 24/7. Stranded appreciates your business. Spread the news. Look us up on Google Reviews. Lock this number and link in your phone. Tell your family and friends. Post it on your social media. Thank you for your business.